Hello, welcome back, and a special welcome to all new viewers. In this problem, we have a histogram that shows time taken by 72 students to complete a given task, and we're supposed to estimate the interquartile range. So we might need to work out the lower quartile and the upper quartile in order to work out the interquartile range. But if you look, we're only given the histogram, so we need to work out the frequency for each bars. And we know that frequency density is frequency divided by class weight. So if you want the frequency, it's simply frequency density times the class weight. So we work out the area of each bar, and that will represent our frequency. So the first one, 3.2 times by 5, that will be the frequency for the first bar, 16. We do the same for all the bars. 0.4 times 10 is 4, and so on. Next one is 12, the last one is 40. So having found your frequency for each bars or each classes, you can now work out the interquartile range. So let's start with the lower quartile. Lower quartile is a quarter of the total, and we've been told it's 72 students. So a quarter of 72 is 18. So we're looking for the 18th item. You go back to the graph. The first bar is up to 16 people. You need 2 more people to make 18. And in the second bar, we have only 4 people. So half of that will be 2. So if you add these 2 to 16, that gives you 18. But this 18 ends up on the black line, which happens to be on number 10. So our answer for lower quartile is 10 minutes. So lower quartile is 10 minutes. Let's do the same for the interquartile. Upper quartile is 3/4 of the total. So 3 over 4 times 72, that gives you 54. So we're looking for 54th item. So we're going to keep on adding until we get 54. 16 plus 4, that's 20. We haven't made 54 yet. Plus 12, 32. We need 22 more to make 54. But there are 40 people in here. How do you make the next 22? Just understand the height here is 2, and you know that if you split this into 11 and 9, 11 times 2 gives you 22. So that's the 22 that you will need. So if you add 32 and 22, it gets you to this line. That's 54, and we will read exactly where we end, and that number is 31 minutes. So the upper quartile is 31 minutes. Now the interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. And that's 31 minus 10, and that will give us 21 minutes. So that is how we estimate the interquartile range from histogram. Next lesson, on next slide, we'll be talking about problem solving. How do you fill both the frequency table and the histogram? That will be our next lesson. Thank you very much for watching.